These are the gas refill cylinders for the SodaStream machine, and they're what gives your water the carbonation. They're very easy to use and to install. You're just going to take the plastic wrapping off of the top, and then you're also going to take off that white plastic cap. Once that's done, you're going to set that aside and grab your soda machine. We have a little bit of an older model, but all I'm going to do is take the backing off of the SodaStream machine, and it comes right off. And then I'm going to take my old bottle that's empty and I'm going to unscrew it. There's a hole in the bottom that it slides out of. I just slide it right out of there, and then I take my new bottle, slide it in, and twist it in. That's how easy it is to change the cartridge on the SodaStream machine. It's super easy. These cartridges last a long time. It really depends on how much carbonation you put in your water as to how long it's going to last. If you like more carbonated water, it's not going to last quite as long, or if you like just really light carbonation. Once you've got that backing back on and you've got it back upright, you're ready to start adding carbonation to your drinks again.